You say you want it. The vision's clear. The goals sound great. You've posted the quotes, written the affirmations, but let's slow down. Does your activity match your ambition? Because dreaming is easy. Planning feels productive, but success? That lives in execution. If you're aiming for a life that breaks cycles, builds wealth, creates freedom, then your habits, your calendar, your energy should reflect that. And here's something people overlook. Being coachable is one of the fastest ways to close the gap between who you are and who you want to be. But most aren't coachable. They want praise, not feedback. They want results, but resist correction. And then they wonder why nothing changes. If someone further down the path tells you, hey, shift this, tighten that, show up earlier, stay later, that's not criticism, that's a shortcut. Not being coachable is a quiet form of self-sabotage. It's pride in disguise. And pride will protect your feelings while it slowly steals your future. So here's the check-in. Are you willing to do the real work? Not just the parts you like, but the uncomfortable, inconvenient, unsexy reps. That prove your ambition isn't just a vibe, it's a standard. Because if your ambition is loud, but your actions are lazy, you're not ambitious, you're just entertained by the idea of success. MIA, make it align.